Where is, in Hebrew.
איפה.
Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to find everything without getting lost? Let's kick off with energy and a smile. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart path to speaking with confidence. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for free resources, transcripts, and drills. Today's magic phrase, where is, which in Hebrew is,
איפה.
say it like you're asking your GPS politely for coffee. Your goal today. In a few minutes, you'll ask for places like a friendly local. You will master.
איפה.
+6 travel musts. Bathroom.
שירותים.
Train station.
תחנת רכבת.
Hotel.
מלון.
Library.
ספרייה.
Key.
מפתח.
And money.
כסף.
Goal. Be clear, be confident, be charming. Sound and rhythm. Let's get the melody in your mouth. Chant with me.
איפה.
EYFO. EYFO. At your target.
איפה.
Smile while you say it. A friendly face gets better directions. Mini dialogues on the go. You and I are stepping into real life now. At a cafe. You, excuse me.
סליחה.
Where is the bathroom?
איפה השירותים?
Barista. Down the hall, left. At the street corner. You.
סליחה.
Where is the train station?
איפה תחנת רכבת?
Local. 2 blocks that way. In the lobby. You.
סליחה.
Where is the hotel?
איפה המלון?
Guard. Across the street. Study day. You.
סליחה.
Where is the library?
איפה הספרייה?
Student. 3rd floor. Object hunt. Find your stuff. Because sometimes you lose things faster than Wi-Fi. Where is my key?
איפה המפתח שלי?
Where is my money?
איפה הכסף שלי?
Pro tip. Raise your shoulders and hands, palms up, as you say.
איפה.
It's the universal emoji for help. Quick drills. Rapid fire practice. You ask, the world answers. Repeat after me. Where is the bathroom?
איפה השירותים?
Where is the train station?
איפה תחנת רכבת?
Where is the hotel?
איפה המלון?
Where is the library?
איפה הספרייה?
Where is my key?
איפה המפתח שלי?
Where is my money?
איפה הכסף שלי?
Culture tip. At the shuk. Be friendly, and Israel will be friendly right back. In the Jerusalem market, the
שוק.
a warm smile plus
סליחה.
and
איפה.
works wonders. You might also hear a more formal variant.
היכן.
But most people say
איפה.
comic break. A little laughter helps memory stick. You ask your phone.
איפה.
And it answers, right behind you. Nice try, phone. Now give me directions to coffee. Pop quiz. 3 quick questions. You've got this. 1. How do you ask where is? In Hebrew? Answer.
איפה.
2. Point to the right word for train station.
תחנת רכבת.
3. True or false?
מתי.
Means where. Answer. False. It means when. Memory hooks. Make it sticky and fun. EFO sounds like info. Ask.
איפה.
To get the info, picture a giant neon question mark floating above you as you confidently say it. Your turn. Micro challenge. Time to speak out loud. Right now, look around and ask 2 real questions. Where is the bathroom?
איפה השירותים?
Where is my key?
איפה המפתח שלי?
Say each twice. Bonus. Ask a friendly stranger with.
סליחה.
Outro and next steps. You did great today. Thanks for listening and keep practicing.
איפה.
With bathroom.
שירותים.
Train station.
תחנת רכבת.
Hotel.
מלון.
Library.
ספרייה.
Key.
מפתח.
In money.
כסף.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, downloads, and daily practice. See you next time.